Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Nothing Phone 3a, Nothing Phone 3a Pro or any of the Nothing smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password and you're stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I am at the lock screen of my Nothing Phone 3a Pro. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN and I'm stuck here. So to remove any kind of security, you need to do this from the settings or you need to perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset as well, you have to go to the settings. But since you are logged out of the device, you are stuck at the lock screen, you cannot go to the settings to do anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset to remove all kind of security from your smartphone right from the lock screen to gain the access back to your smartphone. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with your smartphone. And if you were using your Google account, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential one more time before you start using the device. So here you are at the lock screen. The very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them like this until the Nothing logo appears. Once there is Nothing logo, you can move the finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up until this Android icon appears. Now what you have to do, you need to press the power key one more time. While pressing it, quickly press the volume up just once. Don't press and hold, just press this and quickly press the volume up one more time. And here we go. So now you can see that we are inside the recovery menu of our Nothing Phone 3a Pro, and one of the option is wipe data factory reset. So to navigate between the options, you have to use the volume keys, and to select any of these, you need to press the power button. So use volume down to go down to the wipe data factory reset. Then press the power key once to select it. Then on the next screen, it will show you this warning that everything will be wiped out from your device. Press volume down to go to factory data reset. Press power key once. And here if you have a look at the bottom, you can see that formatting of the data started and finished so quickly, and we are back at the same screen. So now reboot system now option is selected by default. Just press the power key once. Now your device will reboot. Once the rebooting is finished, we will start totally fresh with our device. We will have to go through the setup process and all, and after that we will see how successful our attempt was. So you can see that it is asking me to set a lock screen pin. That means the previous one is gone. But let's finish our process and let's see whether we got the access back to our device or not. And here we go. So you can see that right now I'm at the lock screen of my Nothing Phone 3a Pro, and it is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin. So this is how you can remove all kind of security, the Face ID, pin pattern, etc. if it is not working. If you no longer remember it, the Face ID is not working for whatever reason, and you are stuck at the lock screen, then you can do this to gain the access back to your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.